students of class 3rd and 4th, kindly note this video is a combined video for both class 3rd and 4th. Myself Sana Ahmed, hope you all are fine and healthy at your home. So today we will go through mathematics. Let's start with chapter number 3rd, subtraction part 2. Topic: checking subtraction by addition. Kids, to check the answer, first we need to subtract the given numbers. Always remember to write the greater number on the top and smaller number in the middle of the subtraction. So let's perform the subtraction. 4 minus 2 equals 2. This is 3 smaller than 4. We will take a borrow from the hundreds place. This would be 13 and this would be 4. 13 minus 4 equals 9. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So this is our answer. So kids, let's check. So first, to check, we need to write this sum in the middle. Yes. Now the bottom, that's addend, we have to write it on the top. Now let's add it up. You may see the answer is correct. This is how we check. Now let's do another one. First subtract it. That is 4, 4, 2. Now this addend on the top and the sum in the bottom. Let's add 5, 6, 7. You may see the answer is correct. Addition and subtraction together. Let's see how to perform addition and subtraction together. So as you may see, this is and this needs to subtract. So first we will subtract. So note down the greater number on the top and the smaller on the middle. So subtract this, we will get this number. After subtracting the difference, whatever is the difference, note it down on the top of the next equation. This 442 needs to add to the result. So we will add to this difference. Now let's add. This is our equation. The next equation is 4-digit numbers, you may see. So first we will note down this number on the top as it is greater than this one. Then you may see we have to subtract 1105 to this one. So we will note it down on the bottom. Now subtract. Yes, now we have subtracted. Now the resultant difference, note it down to the another on the top. The next one is 125. We will note it down on the bottom from the ones place. Always remember to note down from the ones place. As you may see, we have to subtract it. I have written it down. So kids, let's subtract it. Yes, that's 4 now, as it has given borrowed 1 to ones place. So that's 4. Now 5. So this is our result. Understanding more than and less than. Always remember, more than means to add and less than is to subtract. So first, as it is said, we have to find more than 500 more than this number. So biggest number, always remember to note it down on the top as I have written it down. So 500. Let's add it up. Yes. Now less than, it has said to find this lesser than this one. So we will subtract. Yes, of course we have to note the greater number on the top and the lesser number on the bottom. So kids, let's subtract. 8 is a smaller number, so we will take a borrow to it. It is 16 now. 16 minus 8 equals 8. It has given 1 to 1/10 place, so it is now 4. 4 minus 2 equals 4. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So students, I hope you understood today's topic. We will meet again through the videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep learning and exploring new things. Thank you for watching this video.